Let's microbiology it by mind mapping the 5 classes of proteobacteria. This will allow you to retain the basic information before you open your textbook or go to lecture. Practice makes perfect. Proteobacteria are gram-negative bacteria and are chemoheterotrophic. We have our 5 classes for our core. Stemming from our core, we have 5 branches. Our first branch is all about alpha proteobacteria. Stemming from that, we have low nutrient environment. Our second branch is nitrogen fixation. Our third branch is symbiosis with plants. And our last branch is prostachy. Our next branch stemming from our core is beta proteobacteria. Stemming from that is utilize inorganic nutrients. And the second one includes pathogens. Our third branch is gamma proteobacteria. We have medically important orders such as Vibrio and Enterobacterialis. Our next branch is delta proteobacteria. Stemming from that, we have predatory bacteria, and another branch, sulfur cycle. Our last branch is epsilon proteobacteria. Stemming from that is curved/helical. Our next branch is microaerophilic growth. And the last one is motile flagella. Proteobacteria are gram-negative and primarily chemoheterotrophic, yet their metabolic strategies vary widely across the 5 subclasses. Let's discuss them. Number 1. Alpha proteobacteria are particularly adapted to oligotrophic, which is low nutrient environments. Many species exhibit specialized morphologies such as prostachy, which are stalks or budding. This increases the surface area for nutrient absorption. This group also includes nitrogen-fixing symbionts that form mutualistic relationships with plants, emphasizing their importance in nutrient cycling. Several alpha proteobacteria also function as human and plant pathogens. 2. Beta proteobacteria differ in that they commonly utilize inorganic compounds such as hydrogen gas, ammonia, and methane produced through anaerobic decomposition. This metabolic flexibility allows them to thrive in environments with active nutrient turnover. This class includes important human pathogens. 3. Gamma proteobacteria contains numerous well-known bacterial orders, including Enterobacterialis and Vibrio, which house many medical significant organisms. 4. Delta proteobacteria contribute to sulfur cycling and include predatory bacteria capable of attacking other microbes. Lastly, 5. Epsilon proteobacteria, characterized by curved or helical morphology and microaerophilic growth requirements, include gastrointestinal pathogens such as Helicobacter and Campylobacter.